Gavin Courtney. I go to Garden Spot High School and I'm in 10th grade. My dad obviously owned a bowling alley growing up, so I was at a bowling alley 24/7, so I might as well just bowl, keep me occupied. I was 2.5 when I started bowling. I believe it was like 2014. I entered Pepsi as like a junior tournament, and it didn't go well, but it was a learning experience. I'm going to states, and it's like very exciting because I wanted to do it last year, but didn't do well last year. But excited that I get to do it this year. So states this weekend is at Leisure Lanes in Lancaster, PA. Format is 5 games, and then the top 5 qualify, and then I hope to be at the time so I can bring home the state title. Exciting. I mean, obviously it was our last match together, but we like to have fun and cheer each other on. I bowled perfect 300 29 times. We bowled 5 games in the top 5 step ladder, so I hope that I'm here at the top and have a chance to compete for a state title. But I hope that I can truthfully say that I'm a state champion instead of just saying I hope to be instead of I am.